I'm wrapping up. I'm not even taking a trade today. To be honest, I am not a fan of this movement. It's just kind of like chopping around, and I don't like seeing all these little like consolidation candles. Not a fan of it. And I figured, all right, I could take a trade today. Oh, and it might be a loss. And I know if that happens, I won't be happy going into the weekend. Why not end the week now? And on a pretty positive note. I mean, what's cool to say, guys, is even though we've had two losses, a break even day, and we didn't even trade today, we're still up for the week, which is pretty cool. And it's funny, I didn't even realize until yesterday when I had a break even day that I was using a copy trading account. I kind of just forgot about it, to be honest. I just got used to it, and so that account, that's just like pretty much sitting break even. That's so nothing too exciting on that, but it is cool to have that. Yeah, I just got a little bit off topic, but so nothing too exciting this week, guys. We did have a really nice win on Monday, but ever since then, I just haven't really liked the movement. It's just been kind of chopping around, and it's all right. We'll have these weeks. What I'm learning is it's like on these weeks, you just got to survive. And if we could survive times when the movement is bad, when the movement's good, then we could take advantage of that and not be, in super big drawdown, and not have blown accounts and be losing getting demotivated from that. So that was my issue before. I think a lot of the time, guys, was like I would trade on the good weeks, good days, but I would also trade on those really bad days, and I would almost come at it with like this mentality of like revenge and why isn't this working? It worked last week. What the hell? Why is it not working this week? What's going on? And I wouldn't really tie it to the fact that it's just bad movement or just some days it's just your strategy might not work, the way you trade might not work. And if you keep good risk to reward, it'll work out in the long run. So the most important thing is just survive while there's a bad week, bad month, whatever, and you're in some drawdown, and then take advantage of the good times. So, yeah. Also, if you guys hear a bunch of birds going crazy, I said it in the last video, but it's gotten super bad. There's like a bird family living in the porch right here, and I feel bad taking them out. So I'm hoping that maybe all the baby birds will grow up, they'll fly out, and then I could try to take out the bird nest or something. I don't know. It's getting bad. There's like a whole community in there. So if you guys hear the noise, sorry. But yeah, it's cold here. I'm in New York. Got to wear a jacket because it does not feel like the end of May. But yeah, guys, want to make a pretty quick video. There's nothing too exciting, but I did want to just kind of make this video especially because it's cool to think that I've had, technically just one loss and then two break-even days, but we're still up on the week. And that's the power of good risk management and proper R to R. So, up 500 on the week. We've had 3 green weeks in a row, guys, which is honestly, this is super exciting, and it makes me happy because, the less trades being made, the more I could really see that over trading was my issue. Oversizing wasn't really too big of an issue, but there was times where I'd overtrade and it caused me to then revenge, and I'd want to get the loss back, so then I'd oversize, and it was an endless cycle that was really bad. But that's the thing, guys. The less you trade, the more you could kind of finally like look into what went wrong in what trade, and see where you're going wrong. This is just really an update. Sorry, my internet's bad, but yeah, this movement, guys, like the old me would probably say, all right, well, you know what, we're coming up, we're consolidating, this kind of looks like a bull flag, so in a way, let me try to long it, or even, oh, well, it sold off. I don't know. I would try to just make up scenarios that could possibly happen, but at the end of the day, I don't want to get caught where I buy it here, it kind of wicks up, comes back down, or the opposite. There's no follow through, and that's okay, guys. Sometimes not trading on the day, it's a position in itself, and it might feel kind of shitty in the moment. It might be like, oh man, I fucking wasted an hour, 2 hours just looking at the charts, and I didn't even make a trade. But at the end of the day, it's better than a loss. And coming back on Monday, if we don't trade today, we're going to be feeling a lot better than if we would have taken a loss. And you know what? Maybe we'll get some good movement. Let's see if we got any news next week. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Oh, well, Memorial Day is Monday, so I think the market might be closed Monday, right, guys? I'm acting like this is a live stream and you guys could respond back, but May 28th. Oh, my dog wants to go out. Oh, okay, we have FOMC. One second, buddy. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up, but hopefully we'll get some nice movement. We got some news. We got FOMC, so I don't know. We'll see with that. But this is where the account's standing. We're up about $1,000 on this one, and we're breaking even on the other. I'm trading these relatively aggressively, pretty much sticking to 5 contracts of NQ, and that's really it, guys. That's it. Just remember, less is more, and we're all gonna make it. Let's get it, guys. Let's have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys all on Monday. Peace.